Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so exciting news. Now JAMB has opened the portal. In fact, I think I've received the message on my SIM card got lost. I can't check my results. Several messages, hundreds of messages on WhatsApping me, what do? I just tell them please be patient because I know that JAMB will have to open up the portal. Okay, so the portal is opened. Post UME schools are also starting to issue out their post UME forms, and one of the things needed is their printout, the original result printout. So now you can go to a CBT center. Please do not go to a cyber cafe, because someone has called me, can I go to cyber? No, do not go to cyber cafe. Go to a JAMB registered CBT center. The charge is just 1,000 naira to print yours. So exciting news for you. If you have not been able to check because of your SIM card and all that, you can now check. Okay, and maybe by tomorrow, or let's say tomorrow or maybe next tomorrow, we always give out what we call the DTW token, okay, of the highest scorer on the DTW platform. So I'm going to be releasing details on how to fill in. Contact me. All right, I think you should even join our Telegram group. Okay, join our Telegram group. I'm going to open that channel up. Yes, it will be done on our Telegram group. I think that's the easiest way. So our Telegram group, you see the link to the DTW Telegram group. I'm going to open it up. After you get your results, inform me, tell me your score. The highest scorer last year, our winner was 321. Okay, went on with our token price. And I already have, even from the DTW online classes, we have a student who scored 338. I'm just hoping no one else got above her. Okay, but if you are connected to DTW Tutorials channel anyway, from our YouTube channel, our online classes, we do online classes, okay, for JAMB. Anyway you're connected, please join that group and let me know your results. And within the next, so everyone now has their results. People that have done their the people that couldn't sit for JAMB, that have done their own JAMB now, because of technical issues, their results are out. So everybody, I've been waiting for this. I would have done this since, but I'm waiting because I want everyone to be on a good playing field. So everyone's results are out and they can check it. So I'm waiting for your good news. And join the Telegram group. Let me know your score, and we'll be awarding you. We're going to have an interview and we'll be awarding you as a DTW Tutorials 2024 highest JAMB scorer. All right, thank you and see you. So go to a CBT center right now and get your results printed and celebrate. Okay, thank you. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, you are destined to win in life, in your academics, in getting admission into school this year, and also in life. See you in our next video. Bye.